Chapter 1, Company History. TTF Power is a leading manufacturer of power fittings in northern China, based in the ancient city of Rinqiu, Hebei Province. With over 2,000 years of history, Rinqiu is an important energy base and ecological barrier in Hebei Province. TTF Power's products are widely used in a variety of industries, including telecommunications, electric power, China Netcom, China Unicom, China Railcom, China Mobile, radio, and television. We offer a one-stop power fitting solution with a complete range of categories, first-class quality, and perfect services. With over 280 employees, including more than 60 professionals and 26 quality management personnel, TTF Power is committed to providing our customers with the best possible products and services. We have grown rapidly in the communications and power industries thanks to our professional level and mature technology. Chapter 2, Manufacturing Capability. TTF Power is a leading manufacturer of power fittings in northern China. We have a variety of workshop production lines, including stranding, forgings, castings, plastic products, electrical switches, and safety equipment. Our facilities are equipped with modernized production equipment and testing laboratory, ensuring that our products meet the highest standards of quality and reliability. We are committed to using the most advanced production technology and testing equipment. In 2020, we purchased a new steel strand production line, which has laid a solid foundation for expanding our international market share and achieving high quality and high standards for our products. In terms of product inspection and testing, TTF Power strictly abides by international testing standards and conducts comprehensive testing and follow-up on multiple projects. This ensures that our product quality meets the required standards and that we complete orders with quality and quantity. Chapter 3, Professional Honors. TTF Power has been in business for over 10 years, and during that time, we have continuously learned and absorbed advanced production experience from both home and abroad. We are committed to providing our customers with the highest quality products and services. We strictly follow technical standards and have passed the ISO 9001:2015 International Quality Management System. We have also been rated by the Tianjin Quality Inspection Association as a governing unit, Tianjin's 7th Consumer Trustworthy Unit, Key Promotion Enterprise for medium and light products, and Tianjin's Contract Abiding and Creditworthy Enterprise. We believe in the development philosophy of integrity, mutual benefit, cooperation, and win-win. We are committed to providing our customers with high-quality products and services, sharing information and resources, and creating a win-win situation for everyone involved. We strive to create higher value for our customers and be a trusted partner in the power fittings industry. Chapter 4, Business Culture. TTF Power has a modern office environment, advanced production equipment, high-quality technical staff, and senior management talents. Since our establishment, we have adhered to the corporate philosophy of "Service weaves the future, integrity builds the brand." We believe that our employees are our greatest asset, and we are committed to creating a positive and supportive work environment where everyone can thrive. We have a team of skilled senior technical talents and experienced management talents who make TTF Power highly competitive on the international stage. We are passionate about our work and committed to providing our customers with the highest quality products and services. Chapter 5, Win-Win Cooperation. TTF Power has won bids from many domestic and international telecommunications, electric power, and other companies, and we have become a designated production enterprise. Our products are sold to over 30 countries around the world, including Japan, South Korea, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Australia, and North America. We have established an excellent logistics system that enables regular shipments and on-time delivery through sea, land, and air channels. We also have a friendly cooperative relationship with merchants from all walks of life, and we offer modern management and perfect after-sales service. TTF Power has created a well-known brand in China's communications and power industry, and we have received high praise and recognition from customers in various countries. Chapter 6, Global Outlook. In today's global information age, TTF Power is looking to the world and has established a global sales network and public platform. We believe that in the near future, we will be able to serve international customers more efficiently and provide one-stop solutions for power fittings to customers in more regions. With our original intention unchanged and our determination to create excellence, TTF Power will continue to compete in the future. With our deep industry insights and efficient and integrated execution, we will create new achievements for the domestic power fittings industry and let Made in China shine globally.